Today's world runs on AI. Every app, product, and business uses it. A tech AI developer is someone who builds, deploys, and scales AI features. You don't need to become a math professor. You need practical AI skills. This course will give you the full path, from beginner to job ready. You only need 20% of math that gives 80% of impact. Statistics, mean, variance, probability. Linear algebra, vectors, matrices. Calculus basics, gradients. Computer science basics. Data structures. Algorithms. Logical thinking. Python is the single most important tool. Learn. NumPy, pandas, matplotlib. Writing clean code. Working with datasets. Focus on problem solving, not memorizing syntax. ML in 2025 focuses on practical models, not formulas. Learn. Supervised versus unsupervised. Regression, classification. Decision trees, random forest XGBoost. Evaluate models using accuracy, precision, recall. MSE. Neural networks are the foundation of modern AI. Learn. Neural networks. Backpropagation, simple explanation. CNNs for images. RNN/LSTM for sequences. Transformers. 2026 AI developers must know generative AI tools. Large language models, LLMs. Vision models, image description. Audio models. AI agents. Learn. Prompt engineering. Fine-tuning. Using APIs like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. RAG, retrieval augmented generation. PyTorch, building DL models. TensorFlow/Keras, high-level deep learning. LangChain, building LLM apps. HuggingFace, model hub. Weights and biases, experiment tracking. AI dev is not just training models, it's deploying them. Learn. Building AI APIs, Fast API, Flask. Vector databases, Face, Pinecone. Docker basics. Cloud, AWS/GCP/render. Scaling AI apps. AI resume analyzer. Chatbot for any website. AI YouTube title generator. Fake news detection. Stock prediction model. Image captioning app. AI voice clone assistant. RAG-based PDF Q&A. E-commerce recommendation system. Automated AI agent for task workflows. Portfolio should include 5 milliliters projects, 3 deciliters projects, 2 generative AI apps, resume tips, LinkedIn optimization, GitHub essentials, where to apply, startups, freelancing platforms, open source, internships.